toes can freeze off in under 30 minutes in bitter cold. That is why this simple sock trick using a plastic wrap layer is absolutely critical for anyone facing extreme winter conditions. Cold toes risk frostbite, nerve damage below freezing, 0 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 18 degrees Celsius. Body restricts blood flow to extremities, causing rapid heat loss. Damp socks wick heat away 25 times faster than dry. A 5-degree foot temperature drop impacts dexterity, increasing accident risk. 2 or 3 hours exposure without protection raises cold injury risk by 60%. This technique applies a 1mm layer of household plastic wrap directly over your clean dry foot or a thin inner sock. This creates an impermeable two-function barrier. First, it insulates, trapping body heat, increasing local temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Second, it acts as a moisture barrier, stopping sweat from wetting primary sock layers. Wet socks lose 70% insulation, turning warmth into cold. Plastic wrap keeps insulating socks dry effective for 2 to 4 times longer. Too thick a layer restricts blood flow. A single thin application is key, extending comfortable activity by up to 3 hours. Maximize benefits using a 3-layer sock system. After the wrap, wear a thin wicking merino wool or synthetic blend sock. Over this, add 1 or 2 thicker insulating socks like high loft wool for extreme cold. Ensure boots fit without compressing feet. A chemical foot warmer between sock layers or under the boot gives 6 to 8 extra hours of heat. Wiggling toes every 30 minutes stimulates blood flow, keeping feet 10 degrees warmer. This comprehensive barrier, layering blood flow management, offers strong defense against freezing temperatures, showing a 95% success rate for diligent users. Your toes can fall off in less than half an hour. This plastic wrap layer trick changes everything. Sub-zero temperatures, below 0 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 18 degrees Celsius are no joke. Our body naturally restricts blood flow to our extremities, a survival mechanism that risks our digits. Damp socks are truly terrible, removing warmth 25 times faster than dry ones. A mere 5-degree drop in foot temperature impacts dexterity, severely increasing accident risk. Leaving feet exposed for just 2 or 3 hours without proper care raises cold injury risk by 60%. The genius technique involves a single 1mm layer of household plastic wrap over your clean, dry foot or a thin inner sock. This creates an impermeable two-function barrier that works wonders. First, it insulates, trapping precious body heat, raising local temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Second, it is a superb moisture barrier, stopping sweat from wetting primary sock layers. Wet socks lose 70% insulation, turning warmth into cold quickly. The plastic wrap keeps insulating socks dry, extending effectiveness 2 to 4 times longer. Crucially, a single thin application is key. Too much wrap restricts vital blood flow. This simple detail extends comfortable activity by up to 3 hours. A truly massive benefit. To maximize warmth, a 3-layer sock system is unbeatable. After the wrap, wear a thin wicking sock like merino wool or a synthetic blend. Then add 1 or 2 thicker insulating socks, perhaps high loft wool for extreme cold. Boot fit is essential. Boots must not compress feet, hindering circulation. Adding a chemical foot warmer between sock layers or under the boot provides 6 to 8 extra hours of heat. Wiggling toes every 30 minutes stimulates blood flow, helping keep feet 10 degrees warmer. This comprehensive approach, combining barrier layering and active blood flow management, offers strong, robust defense against freezing temperatures. This method has an impressive 95% success rate for diligent users. It is a vital strategy for anyone venturing into bitterly cold environments, providing peace of mind and protection against severe frostbite and nerve damage. One small layer can make all the difference between comfort and a dangerous situation. Prioritize your foot health in the cold season. Your toes might detach in less than 30 minutes. This simple sock trick using plastic wrap can prevent that horror when facing sub-zero temperatures dropping below 0 degrees Fahrenheit or even minus 18 degrees Celsius, which are absolutely no joke. Our bodies naturally restrict vital blood flow to our outer extremities as a crucial survival mechanism. But this unfortunately risks our digits to very severe injury. Damp socks are truly terrible, performing 25 times worse than dry ones at maintaining warmth. Even a mere 5-degree drop in foot temperature severely impacts dexterity, increasing accident risks significantly. Leaving your feet exposed for just 2 or 3 hours without proper care can raise your cold injury risk by a shocking 60%. The ingenious technique involves applying a single 1mm layer of household plastic wrap directly over your clean, dry foot or a thin inner sock layer. This creates an impermeable, two-function barrier that works wonders. Firstly, it insulates by trapping precious body heat, raising the local foot temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Secondly, it serves as a superb moisture barrier, stopping sweat from ever wetting your primary sock layers. Remember, wet socks can lose 70% of their insulation, turning warmth into rapid, chilling cold. The plastic wrap keeps your main insulating socks dry, extending their effective warmth by 2 to 4 times longer. Crucially, only a single thin application is key. Too much wrap restricts vital blood flow, leading to opposite effects. This simple detail alone extends comfortable activity by up to 3 additional hours, a truly massive benefit when spending time outdoors. To maximize your warmth, an unbeatable 3-layer sock system is highly recommended. After the initial plastic wrap layer, you should wear a thin wicking sock, perhaps made of merino wool or a synthetic blend, to manage any residual moisture. Then, add 1 or 2 thicker insulating socks, such as high-loft wool ones, especially for extreme cold conditions. Boot fit is absolutely essential. Your boots must not compress your feet in any way, hindering proper circulation. Adding a chemical foot warmer between sock layers or even underneath the boot can provide 6 to 8 extra hours of critical heat. Wiggling your toes every 30 minutes actively stimulates blood flow, helping keep your feet a significant 10 degrees warmer. This comprehensive approach, combining the barrier layering system with active blood flow management, offers a strong, robust defense against freezing temperatures. This particular method boasts an impressive 95% success rate for diligent users who follow these steps precisely. It is a vital strategy for anyone venturing into bitterly cold environments, providing immense peace of mind and robust protection against severe frostbite and debilitating long-lasting nerve damage. One small layer of household plastic wrap can genuinely make all the difference between remaining comfortable and facing a truly dangerous situation. Always prioritize your foot health, particularly during the harsh cold season.